Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide pages, add or remove widgets, and the app library on your iPhone. So let's start. First let's see how to hide and unhide pages of the home screen. First, long press on the home screen. Now tap on the dots at the bottom of the screen. Now if you unmark the checkbox, the page will be hidden. Here you can see the page is now hidden. Now to unhide, tap on the dots and mark the checkbox. Now let's see how to add or remove widget. Now long press on the home screen again. Then tap on the plus icon at top right corner and select any widget you like. Select the size and tap on Add Widget, and the widget will be added to your home screen. There are two ways to remove widget. Long press on the widget and tap on Remove. Or you can also long press on the home screen and tap on the minus icon of the widget, and the widget will be removed. Now let's move on to App Library. This is the app library of your iPhone. You will see all of your apps installed on your iPhone here. Here you can see all the apps are organized according to category, which looks very neat and clean and easy to find apps. And you can see a search bar at the top of the screen. You can easily tap on that or swipe down to access the search bar. Here you can also see the apps are alphabetically ordered. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.